Hi everyone, I'm Pradeepa. I'm here to present the Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that the current through a conductor between 2 points is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points. Introducing the constant of proportionality, the resistance 1 arrives at the usual mathematical equation that describes this relationship. The formula of Ohm's law is V is equal to IR. V describes voltage, I describes current, and R describes resistance. Where I is the current through the conductor in units of ampere. V is the voltage measured across the conductor in units of volt, and R is the resistance of conductor in units of ohm. In physics, the term Ohm's law is also used to refers to various generalizations of the law. For example, the vector form of the law used in electromagnetic and material science, J is equal to sigma E, where J is the current density at a given location in a resistive material, E is the electric field at the location, and sigma is the material dependent parameter and it is called as the conductivity. Limitations of Ohm's law. Limitations of Ohm's law is not applicable for unitary electrical elements like diode and transistor as they allows the current to follow in one direction only. For non-linear electrical elements with parameters like capacitance, resistance, etc., the voltage and current won't constant with respect to time, making it difficult to use Ohm's law. Applications of Ohm's law. The main application of Ohm's law are to determine the voltage resistance or current of an electric current. Ohm's law is used to maintain the deserved voltage drop across the electronic components. Ohm's law is also used in DC ammeter and other DC stunts to divert the current. Next we see about basics of current density. The measure of the amount of electric charge per unit time that follows through the unit area of the cross section. The current density is a vector quantity. Therefore, it has both magnitude and direction. The SI unit of current density is ampere per meter square and it is denoted the symbol J. Formula of current density. Current density formula is expressed as J equal to I by A, where I denotes the current following through the conductor in amperes, A describes the cross-section area in meter square. Current density is expressed in ampere per meter square. Thank you.